Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hi, hello, welcome. I got this cute little package from Merit Beauty, so I thought I would show you guys what I got and demo it for you guys in this video. If you guys like this kind of video, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll do more for you in the future. So let's get on with the video.
When you order from Merit for the first time, you can get their free signature bag, and if you spend over $40 on your order, you can get free shipping, which is awesome. So for the first product, I got their Brow 1980 in black, which retails for $24. This is a volumizing brow pomade. The spoolie is absolutely perfect for the brows. Before I filled my brows in and then applied this, and I absolutely love how they looked. Next, I got their new release, which is Merit's Bronze Balm. This retails for $30, and I got this shade Cyan, their medium sand buff shade. They have 5 shades to choose from. I applied this to all the areas where I would normally put bronzer, and then blended it with a brush before applying all the powders. I like the shape of the product and then applied and blended really easily, but I feel like I could have gone a little bit darker. If you guys want to check Merit out, everything's linked down below, and I also have a coupon code for you guys. Don't forget to check that out. Thank you, Merit, for sending me this.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram because I post on there all the time. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.